Okay, so we're ready to draw our isometric number 4 drawing. So I'm going to come up to Schoology and I'm going to go to the PDF for isometric drawing number 4. I'm going to click on the little view here to open it up into a full screen mode. And I think I can just click right here to full screen. No, we click this right here, fit to height, and that'll make it the right size. So this one is the one we referred to as sort of an Oreo cookie. There's 2 pieces on each side and then a piece in the middle. Now, when I'm drawing this on Onshape, I'm not going to treat it as 3 separate parts, although I could. But what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to find one of the complex views, either the front or the top, it looks like, and I'm going to draw sort of this. I think I'm going to draw the front view and just draw this outside shape, and then later I'll cut out this front piece. So it's 2 inches wide and it's 1.25 tall. The pieces on the outside are a 1/2 inch and the piece in the middle is 1 inch. So let's go back, create, new document. This is ISO 4. I'm going to go to the 3 lines, workspace units, and make sure this is set to inches. Hit the check mark. Now in this one, I want to draw my sketch on the front view. Hit the check mark. And then I'm going to change the view cube. I want to draw my sketch on the front view. And then I change my view cube to front. Now, the shape is 2 inches over. Then it was 1.25 tall. It's a 1/2 inch in this direction. Then I believe it's a 1/2 inch down from here to here. Yep, right there it says a 1/2 inch down. 1 inch over. 1/2 inch back up, back to this line, and back. Okay, so I've got a good shape here, good profile. I'm going to hit the check mark. I'm going to click so that I can see this in the proper orientation. I'm going to click extrude this shape, and I want it to go back. So I'm going to click this arrow, and it's going to flip the direction that it's going to go. And the distance I want it to go is 1.5. So I'm going to change this to 1.5. Okay. And then I'm going to hit check mark. So that is a good start, but there's a piece in this front part that we want to remove so that it'll look like this. And I need to remove this piece. And so it goes back a 1/2 inch and it cuts from this surface down through the bottom. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose this face, right click, new sketch, go look at the top view, and what I want to do is I want to draw a rectangle that's from here to here. I want this to be 1 and I want this to be 0.5. All right, and it turned red. Well, let's see if it is going to cause us any problems. Let's hit check mark and let's look at it properly. I'm going to hit extrude, click there, and what we want to do is we want to remove, and we want this to go down 0.75. So I'm going to type in 0.75, hit enter, and you can see now it's just going to hit the bottom. and hit check mark, and there it is. So now I go to the plus sign, go to create drawing, custom template, do not include the title block. Click on my part, put it in A2. Put it in A1. So that's my front view, my right side view. Click A2 again, bring it up to B2. A2 and bring it up to B1 to get our isometric view. Remember, we're going to hit escape, make the isometric view show shaded view, and then in these views we show hidden lines. Remember, you won't always have hidden lines, but in this one we do. Alright, so this number 4 is all finished, and we're ready to move on to number 5.